Chukwunyenu Igbo ego. Olisanyenu Igbo ego. Akwasi nanyi ifule ego n'anya. Nnanye nanyi ego ka eliwe o. Weba aṅụli o. Ụmụ Igbo atala ahụhụ. Naira dollar, pounds and euro. Naira dollar, pounds and euro. Naira dollar, pounds and euro. Ego, ego. Ego, Chukwuna nyem ego.
He's a go-getter. Okay, when he wants something, he goes for it. And if you want to get somewhere in life, you have to plan. You have to say, "This is what I want." You need to have a laser-like focus and go for it. And that's the sort of person he is.
He's a son of the soil. Yes, that is what I said. So God will lead you, thank you, sir, protect you, and guide you. Thank you, sir. And do us proud. Amen. Thank you.
Are you enjoying the evening?
The evening so far is wonderful. Wilson is a very, very good friend, an amazing talent. One of the best gospel artists we have in the UK at the moment, and I'm really glad to be here.
I released my album last year. I told the Igbos that something bigger is coming, and that's what we're going to see here tonight.
Yeah, Wilson has been a very nice, quiet, young musician who has been very, very active.
Wilson, one day, and we are here to support him.
It's a beautiful day. I'm looking forward to it because I've actually had Wilson sing before, and that was in I think a cultural wedding, and that was amazing. His voice is outstanding. It was really beautiful to listen to him.
It's always a very fantastic person. I've met him a couple of times live, and I watch him always.
Also, I'm very instrumental to what is happening today, because I always encourage him. Look, you are born with this talent. You wouldn't waste it, because he is a writer, he's a producer, he's got wonderful voice. I mean, what are you waiting for? Yeah, just go on and have a hit. And as you can see today, he's got so many hits in his album. So we are here to support him.
The gentleman is from my community. We've known him for a while, and he's from various occasions.
His music is very tasty, and it incorporates young people and old people. So it's a very good mix, a very good mixed bridge. So he doesn't alienate the older ones or the younger ones. So he's got very good taste. I like his music.
His album, especially what is launching now, is very rich and it's diverse. You have the native tracks, you also have the you have the jazzy tracks, you have up-tempo. He's versatile.
More cultural, African. Yeah, it's high time Africans are ahead of,
some noise and I and we're here to support Wilson.
this is such a beautiful family. So is that your mummy? Yeah, I was speaking to your children earlier. They're so confident and they look absolutely stunning.
Some personalities, they always hide themselves,
He's a born musician.
Yeah.
He thought all this is to himself. He's a producer, he's a writer, he's a singer. In fact, he's everything. He's a performer. He's wonderful, he's excellent.
Hi, darling.
Very happy.
Of course, I am very happy.
First of all, what is this? I love it.
Oh my gosh,
I absolutely love it.
Well, I'm celebrating my culture, African culture, we're proud of who we are. I love his music.
Yeah.
If you check the YouTube, you'll see me singing for him all the time. So I'm one of the backup singers for Wilson as well.
Tell me about what you're wearing.
Well, I'm wearing African attire. I'm wearing scarf with blouse and wrapper. So which is Igbo attire, complete Igbo attire.
What do you think of Wilson's music?
Amazing. It's beautiful music. I've heard him sing in a wedding, cultural wedding.
Alright.
And it was really beautiful. So yeah, I'm looking forward for tonight.
Okay, well have a good evening.
Thank you.
How do you know Wilson?
I watched it on YouTube.
how do you like Wilson to be able to do that?
Wilson is a very fantastic son of Nigeria who has been doing well in music. So we always appreciate him.
Having a very big function today, which you know, and that's why you are here. Our son, Wilson.
Onweli ndị bụ ndị Nsibanye People's Club na London. Ndị fe People's Club na Asa.
Wilson Nwanne, and we are here to support him.
Chukwunye n'ụmụ Igbo ego.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. Beverly.
Hello. Just take your name for us.
All right. I'm Wilson Nwanne.
We're here today because of your album launch, and also there's something that was happening. You're recognizing Ndibo. Why have you decided to do that?
Oh my God. Ndibo Sinekelonya Kideya Gotozo. You know that we have people we call our role models in diaspora. If we don't celebrate them, there is no way the future will likely be one of the things for us. All these men you see here today have in one way or the other supported Igbos no matter how little it is. So we have to celebrate them. We have to show them that we love them for what they are doing, so that the future generation will embrace them. Yes, and hopefully you can see all of them smiling. That means something good is happening.
Yeah, definitely. Everybody's laughing over it.
Yes.
How long does it take to plan it?
Actually 3 months.
Was it a good night?
To the glory of God, and it's not been easy. But I know at least today will tell the story. This is just the beginning. And although I sound today, they will realize that they have to go
Marima bịa hụ manya Arịda nọkwa ebe a aka kpara nkwa ya ekwuo seserio kada ego Chukwu nna nye m ego onye richiri elu ụwa ka ọ kpala mmụọ